Cooper style? Okay, just don't look up and get stuff in your eyes. Woo! Oh, Gran's gonna have an enlarged heart.
Really scared. There's two things you can do. You can get off. I broke the other one.
You broke it?
Whoa.
What are you doing, Cow? It's heavy. It's a root that's in the ground, baby.
Cinnamon sprinkle. This is like living on Mount Everest.
On Mount Everest?
It's harder though. You have to climb all the way.
What you got now, Cow?
I was scared on the for sure.
Are you gonna swing on the big vine, Calvin? Ooh! What do you think lives over here, Luther? There's a big hole over here. Come check it out.
Mole.
You think? I don't know.
Copied it.